Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun box. It just got here and I can't wait to show you what I got because I haven't even seen it yet. Alright guys, it took me a while to get on the bandwagon with FabFitFun, but it comes once a season, so it's only a quarterly box, so you're not getting stuff every month, and it's really quality ingredients, really quality products I should say, that I really have come to love, and like one product usually is the price of the whole box if you buy it outright. So I'm excited for this. Looks very spring-like. Look how pretty. I love their packaging. So this is the magazine that shows you all the information, and if you're new to FabFitFun, I know I have a coupon code to help you save your first box. I used one too. I'll put it in the comment section below. Let's see. Sometimes these have coupons on them. Yeah, HelloFresh, 10 meals free. See what's in here. So some stuff you can specify and other stuff it's like a surprise. You never know. So let's just start right here. 2-minute polishing peel melon. All skin types. Looking forward to smelling that, checking it out. Love these reusable straws. I am funny about cleaning them though. I have to make sure that they're really clean. But this comes with a brush cleaner and it has a case for them. So this is great if you're like out on the go too, because I know that like at Disney, they only use like paper straws now. And I gotta be honest, I'm not a huge fan of paper straws, but I love that these are reusable. Let's see if we can open it up. Oh yeah. Ooh, they're pretty. They're like sherbet type colors, I guess for spring. And I love that it comes with a brush cleaner because, oh, if you've ever had a straw that's not clean, that is not fun. And then what is down here? Is that to hold the straws? Are they like foldable? That would be kind of cool if it is. So you can take your straw on the go. Whether you're drinking whipped cream, portable carrying case so you can clip them to your keys and ready to sip on the go. That is so cool. Cool. All right, so this is Multitasking Beauty. This works. Use nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish your skin. Cool. I love skincare. All right, this is wrinkle treatment. This is a light therapy. I'm gonna have to like try this stuff and let you know how it goes. It's supposed to help with your skin. And this looks like it is a body oil, pomegranate and mongongo oil. What else is in here? Fast food leave-on conditioner. I always need leave-on conditioner. Last time I got some Dry Bar Detangler, and I've been using it every day. I'm obsessed with it. All right, this looks like we've got a few things down here. I don't know what this is. I think it might be makeup. Purifying Glow Masks. How does this open up? Okay, that was hard to do one-handed. So these are Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purified Glow Mask Collection. And they look like they come in these individual pods. These are mud masks, and then these are Beauty Glow exfoliating masks, and then they come with the paintbrush. I'm so excited to try those. And then last, I got these sherbet colored packing cubes by Calpac, and it comes in a small, medium, and large. And if you have not been using packing cubes, you're missing out. It is so much easier to get to your hotel. Just put your packing cubes in your like closet or in the dresser there, and you can have them separated out by outfit, or you can even separate them out by kind. So like socks and underwear in one, shirts in another, and pants in another, and then you're done. Or you can do outfits in them. And we have different colors for our family. So I'm excited for this like sherbet yellowy pink color for me. And this will be fun. So everyone else already has different colors in our family. And this is mesh, so you can see your clothes in it, but the sides are a different color. Kind of cool. So that's what's in my box, guys. I'm excited to try all these products, and definitely a mask tonight and some moisturizer. This is going to be fun. Love it. Love these boxes. All right, guys, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.